How to show recycle bin in Windows 10 or 11 File Explorer. So if you want to show your recycle bin in Windows 10 or 11 File Explorer, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your File Explorer. Once you're on your File Explorer, you just need simply go with View section, and under View you will have Show, and then you will have Navigation pane. And on your navigation pane, you'll have an option of show all folders. So you need to go and click on show all folders and make sure that none of the items are hidden. After that, you need to go with this PC section, go with the drop down, and you'll find your recycle bin right here. But in my case, I've already pinned my recycle bin, so it shows right here. Now you just need simply go back, and here you will have your recycle bin on your desktop. You need to right click on it, go with pin to quick access. And now if you open up your file explorer, as you can see that your recycle bin has been found in your file explorer. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.